Back here on Barry's Granville, we are going to be changing the fan clutch. Really easy. I've already gotten started. I've got the 4 nuts off the studs. Well, they're broken loose. They're not completely off yet. And I've loosened all of our bolts on the fan. What I'm going to do is take the nuts off the studs on the clutch. Slide it forward. Slide our fan backwards. And everything will come out. All right. Clutch is original. I've seen better days. Here's our fan. Here's our new clutch. Ready to go. We'll get our fan positioned. I gotta put our little chingaderas in there. That way we'll center on the hub. All right, new fan clutch is in. Let's fire her up. Wow, it's already blowing more air. I just fired it up. Now when the old clutches are worn out and everything's easy to spin, you know, it doesn't pull as much as when it's tighter and more coupled. We like things tighter and more coupled. She's been idling a solid 45 minutes and she's under 210, which is way better than where she was the other day. I'd like to see this a little cooler, but I haven't really taken it out to drive it either. So maybe you should go drive her this weekend around town here. I mean, she's fun to drive anyway. And let's see how she behaves. Let's see what else we got going on. If anything, hopefully not.